You spot one bedbug, and suddenly every seam in the house looks suspicious. Waiting for an exterminator means more nights of not sleeping. DIY heat treatment works, but only if you can power it. A dryer or stove outlet is all a real bedbug heater needs. Our commercial-grade heater holds the room at a steady 135 degrees, the ambient kill temperature that eliminates bedbugs and their eggs in a single visit. No chemicals, no callbacks. One visit, zero chemicals. Your bedroom back to normal. For good. Ready to treat it yourself? Call PestPro Thermal at 970-443-8119.